Hello and welcome everyone to a Venuteck training session of the POS you guys will be using at the event. My name is and I'm a part of Venuteck, and I'm going to show you some simple steps to get you guys familiar with the POS. So this is the home screen you guys will be seeing a lot. Here you have all the products in the order from A to Z. So we strongly recommend you guys to use the category bar, which is on the top left, where it says all products. So here you can see all the products. Right here, we have all the category options. So for you guys who are in food and drinks, you guys will only be using food and drinks. For the guys who are in novelty, you guys have the choice of trucks, caps, t-shirts, hoodies, miscellaneous and plush. We'll be going into those later on. So let's try food and drinks first. So for you guys in the food and drinks, you'll actually only be using this page. So you have the flasks, which are these two options. You have the mugs, which are the tire, the Reaper, and you have the sports bottles and the popcorn. For novelty, we have different types of options, like I showed you before. If we go to the category tab again, you have different kinds. So food and drinks don't apply to you guys because simply said, it isn't part of the novelty kit. So you have trucks, caps, t-shirts, hoodies, miscellaneous and plush. So let's say you have a customer who wants to buy a t-shirt. You click on the category tab and afterwards on t-shirts. You have three options here, men, youth, women. We aren't going to use those now, so you go back and you just simply press the t-shirt button. Here you see all the t-shirts we have available. So let's say for instance they want an El Toro t-shirt. Here you have 4 different sizes because this t-shirt comes in these sizes. So let's say the customer wants to have a large El Toro logo t-shirt. You press large. If they want 1, you simply push add to cart. If they want 2, you have a plus here. You can select, it says 2. But for the easy sake, let's just say he wants 1. So you press the minus and you add it to cart. Now, let's say the customer also wants a cap. Then the best course of action is to go back into the categories. You select the caps category, and here you have all the caps available. So let's say he also wants an El Toro cap. Because there are no different sizes, you can just click on the cap and it will appear as well on the left side in your basket. And lastly, let's say he wants a miscellaneous item. Here you have all the miscellaneous items. For a disc, for example, the helmets, the pennants, glasses, flags, and you got the yearbook and the swords. So let's say the customer wants to have a yearbook. You scroll down because here it says yearbook, you select it as well. We've added the yearbook to our basket. Let's say for instance the customer reminded himself, or he doesn't really want, let's say the cap. You can press the X here to delete an item. If the customer thinks he doesn't want the whole order, you have an option to press the trash bin over here, and your whole order will vanish or will be deleted, so you can help another customer or go to select other products that the customer wants. So let's say for example he wants a some glasses, the black Gravedigger ones. Also in the basket, and let's do a flag for instance. And lastly we go to the category bar because he wants a plush. So we're going to the category bar, and on the down below it says plush. You have the plush options, and he wants a gas monkey plush. So once we've done this, you can either set it on hold if the customer isn't sure about his sale, or you can just continue the sale. So once you click the blue button down below, you continue onto this screen, which offers you two payment options for cash and credit card. So let's do cash for now. The customer wants to pay by cash. Like the POS is also already calculated the prices, and here you see the total, which is 620 Rand. Let's say the customer doesn't have 620 Rand, but pays like 700. So you select the 700 option here, you press accept. Here you see what you have to give the customer for change, which is 80 Rand. So you give the customer 80 Rand back and you complete the order. Once you did that, you see down below a green bar which says order completed, so you know the order went through. After the order, you get back into the home screen where you can select your product. We strongly advise to use the category bar at all times, because in the home screen you have every product from A to Z and not product to product to product. So it might be hard to track down the right product if you aren't using the category tablet.